Whenever you experience or observe some new phenomenon, don't be so quick to believe something about it, or to show or to know what it is. When you experience some new feeling state or seem to observe a dynamic or a principle, do you really know what it really is, especially in the beginning? Rarely. It's likely you simply believe what someone has told you or what you have made up for yourself and apply this belief to the phenomenon, see, to what you think you observed. Do you understand? Like, you see a burning bush, right? A Christian's going to say, "Oh my God, God is here." See? Park ranger is going to say, "Oh, it's on fire. Let's put it out." Or whatever, depending on how you see it. Kind of deal. I remember this was a Vietnamese woman talking to me about she has this thing in the third eye and she has a sensation here and this blah, 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 and change of state. She says, "What does it mean?" And I said, "It doesn't mean shit." Which is to say, it means you have a sensation here, and there's a blah, 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 and you have a belief system around that. That's all. Okay? What occurs? Are you conscious of anything? Does it create any insight? No. Okay. So what happens? So you just have this phenomenon occurring, and you think it means something. Well, what does it mean? That. That's all. It means that. That's what's occurring. That's all it means.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.